Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I found my very favorite blow dryer yet by Skymoon. This is a high-speed hair dryer. The air blows out the front and is sucked in from the back and underneath as well. That's 3 airflows, so it works fast without burning your hair. It gives the fastest wind speed I've ever seen in a blow dryer yet. People say I'm so lucky because I have such thick, voluminous hair, but the deal is, going from crazy curly, frizzy to this look here has always taken 45 minutes to 1 hour, no joke, to get my hair to look like this. And because of that time issue, I don't always have that time to get ready to go out or do something or look good on camera. I need to have my hair done quicker. 15 minutes to 30 minutes of saving time on every blow dry I do is tremendously valuable to me. It is such a boring thing to blow dry my hair. I'm going to quickly show you how I blow dry my hair. Here's my hair right out of the shower. Oh, it's been sitting around drying maybe 10 minutes. I need to brush it out and detangle it. So that's what I do first. And because my hair is so thick, I want to blow dry it section by section. So by coiling up and putting it on one of these clips is the only way I've ever been able to not have it be wavy and kinky on the lower layers of my hair. So after I've put in, about 6 of these sections on these clips, I do it in kind of a haphazard way. I just kind of do it by feel. I'm not a professional. I've got to do it on myself. So this is what it looks like with all those clips in. Then the next step is blow drying what's loose on the bottom. Skymoon's high-speed hair dryer is the standard 110 volts. It fits into any 2-prong outlet in North America. I use 3 different brushes. One's the one just to detangle my hair, but I also have a wide round brush and a more narrow round brush. And so my front pieces, I like to have a little more bounce and curl, so I use my smaller, thinner round brush. I want to frame my face with a little bit of curl. So I do one side, there's that curl, and then I do the other side. Then after that, I go around my hair and I do all the other straighter parts of my hair, my longer parts of the hair. And that's around the side of my neck and all the way to the back and then around to the other side. And after that's done, it's time to start unwinding one of those clippies and do clippy by clippy. Make sure each of the sections from the clippies are thoroughly dry, otherwise I'm going to get some frizz and some kink. Skymoon's high-speed hair dryer is 1400 watts. I know I'm talking a lot about power with a Skymoon hair dryer, but the reason is if it has 1400 watts, it's not going to blow out your fuse, and yet that 60 hertz is going to make your wind speed really fast as you're drying your hair. That's the point. So the last clippies I do are the ones on top of my head. That's the finishing. The crown. Most of my hair drying is done on the hottest, fastest level, which made this whole hair drying experience very quick. I was filming, so that slowed me down a little bit. But using this hair dryer really only takes me about 20 minutes. And poof, putting my hair back. There's all that hair beautifully dried. There's no kinks left. I touch it with my hands and kind of bring the style back and put the curls where I want them. And here's my finished look. Now I'm ready to go out and do something fun. My hair is done. This hairstyle will last me about 4 or 5 days. The controls on Skymoon's high-speed hairdryer are so easy to use. Let me go through the features. The hairdryer has an attachment, which is the smoothing nozzle. This is what I snap on magnetically, any position I want, to get the smoothing nozzle position to be in the widest part when I use my brushes. It twists to adjust really easy. It's all magnets. The power button has 3 levels, low, medium, and high. I always use the high level when I'm blow drying my hair for the fastest results. Underneath is a temperature indicator. Now this button, if you short press it, it has a blue light on, and that's cool airflow. And if you press it again, that's a yellow button, and that is warm airflow. And short press it again, and the red means the hot airflow. And another short press can alternate it between a blue and red flashing light, and that's going to give you a hot and cold airflow cycle. You would use a hot and cold airflow cycle if you want to set some curls and you kind of had your pattern of blow drying it hot and knowing by the time you got to the end you were setting a curl. And if you don't want that done automated, in the front is a button. That's the cold shot button. It looks like a snowflake. By short pressing it, it goes white, and that's cold airflow. Another amazing feature is if I were to long press that cold shot button, that snowflake, it's going to give me an auto cleaning blowback. Now look at the back of it. If I take that knob off, inside there, that is an air inlet filter. Well, once in a while, it could get dusty and dirty. So this feature, by pressing that cold shot button and holding it down for 5 seconds, hey, it will automatically blow the dust back out. So it's not going to clog the intake filter for air. Never seen that before. Blows air out for about 10 seconds, then reverts back to normal hair drying. Skymoon has developed a patented Trio Air Pro technology, and that's why you have 3 ways that the air is working. The washcloth, it's cleaning the filter that was drawing in air in such a powerful way, it's going to blow out any dust it had taken in to blow dry your hair. That's one of the ways. And another powerful airflow is how it brings in air to blow dry your hair. It goes through another filter on the bottom of the handle. And the third way is taking in the air from the back of it, like I just showed, for a total of 110,000 rotations per minute, all with a brushless motor. And while it's doing that, it's bursting out 500 million plasma ions so that you don't get static electricity after your blowout. The power and speed of that air is unsurpassed to give you the fastest blow drying experience ever. It's 5 times faster than traditional hair dryers. Skymoon's high-speed hair dryer also has a turbo function. That's when you hold the snowflake cold shot button plus a temperature button at the same time for 2 seconds. The temperature button will turn purple, and that's going to give you an airflow range as the most powerful maximum speed, maximum wind. And here I am, blowing my hair with that. You can see how powerful that is. It'll run like that for 3 minutes, and then it goes back to the previous mode. I don't know, I kind of think that's for guys that don't really care. I want a little more control of my style as I'm blow drying my hair. Skymoon had sent me this pink color, but they have it in black, but I like it in the pink. Another feature of the Skymoon high-speed hair dryer is the low noise. It's not going to wake someone up that's sleeping or your baby sleeping in the other room. They designed it not to be annoying. There's no whizzing sounds. It's a low white noise sound. And one more feature that really means a lot to me because I travel so much is this weighs about 3/4 of a pound. It's the lightest hair dryer I've ever used and the most powerful. When I blow dry my hair, my arm is no longer getting tired holding a heavy blow dryer. That's fabulous. And when I travel and it's in my suitcase, it's less than a pound. Yay. Click the link below to get your Skymoon high-speed hair dryer. It's the best in the market I've seen. I love it, and I'm glad they came out with all that new technology. It's terrific. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a recipe for a fast blow dry to get the shine and sheen you want to look your best. See you next time. And now that I'm all dressed up on a good hair day, I'm gonna go find something to do. If you like this video, I have more on my channel you might like. Right over here, just click, including some of my recipe playlists of my favorite recipes.